bugs. I just hurt myself.
I just try to make myself feel pain. I don't feel anything anymore. You broken.
Omnitrix isn't working.
Come on, Phil Gags. Ow. Hey, do you want to hear a story?
Yeah, sure.
Since you're my new best friend and everything. So you know that little monkey dude? That little monkey dude that's following me around and
that one,
attacking me? That gang member dude with the weird skull?
Oh, the one who killed your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, today I feel like telling you the story about how that all
I
happened.
mean, you don't have to.
I want to. You're my best friend and
Great.
everything.
All right, cool.
Mr. Lamb.
Just tell the story.
Okay, my mistake. Best buddy. So,
Don't call me that.
so the story begins where, I was in the woods and you know the thing where I want to fight a gorilla? So you really don't like Obama?
What? Never said that.
Well, it seems like you don't like Obama.
That's not true.
Well, anyway, let's get back on topic.
Yeah.
Apparently, there are no monkeys at the aquarium, or gorillas, I mean.
Dang.
So now we're here. This is gorilla territory. I am going to beat a gorilla in a fight, and you're going to help me.
I will help you.
Okay?
You're my friend. That's why I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, we're best friends.
Best friends.
What do you think about, like, potatoes?
Oh, you know, they're not bad.
They're a vegetable, right?
No, there's a third fruit.
What?
Yeah.
You're an idiot, dude.
No, you.
Wait. What? See one of them. See a gorilla. Could you shut up?
I'm sorry.
You were
I'm
worthless.
sick.
Look, now he's getting away. Nice job. You really messed this one up, idiot.
Dude, I'm sorry.
God. Now we gotta go after him. Nice one. Yeah, so I feel like the monkey's around here somewhere.
Really?
Yeah, I can. Hey, there he is. And he has a stick. Let's run. And don't touch me, dude.
No.
Too late. Too late.
No.
He wants you.
No.
He wants you.
No, wait. I can kill him. I will bring you back for you, okay? I will bring you back. Yeah, give me a sec. Yeah. Hey, you! Oh, you betrayed me! You traitor!
I'm just more important than you. Sorry. It's called the pecking order, dude. I wouldn't understand. Expect someone like you to understand it. I'm more important than you. I don't care. If I can die.
I will have my revenge.
Yeah, so that's the story about how I lost my friend.
That's so wrong.
How?
I don't care about your friend. You have 2 people on you,
Yeah.
and now you have 3.
What? What, dude? What's your problem?
You're seriously wrong in the head.
Whoa, we're supposed to be
there's
friends.
something wrong with you.
There's nothing wrong.
There's something wrong with you.
Get out of me! Get off of me!
You are. What ails you? What ails you?
You!
You're psycho!
1, 2, 3, fusión. La carina contenía Hildegan dentro de Tapio. Las bolas de dragón, esparcidas por el mundo. Teniendo